You just booked your Virgin Voyages Cruise. I'm sure you're looking forward to the amazing food, great shows, and programming on the ship. Before you go, you'll need to familiarize yourself with their app. It can be a bit confusing, so today, we'll walk you through how we book things through the app so that you can prepare yourself too. Firstly, you should be aware of the opening window where you're given access to start booking shore excursions, dining reservations, and entertainment. Pause here to reference the number of days for each category of booking. Now for excursions, we typically do not book through Virgin and instead create our own DIY walking tours. For activities on the ship such as shows and fitness classes, you'll need to wait until you're on board the ship to book. We book these as soon as we are in the atrium of the ship. We'll be going into more detail regarding dining reservations because you can book these in advance, but there's some information you'll need to know. The number of food reservations you can make on Virgin Voyages Cruise depends on the duration of the cruise itself. For 1 to 6 nights, you can make a reservation at a restaurant one time each. For 7 to 11 nights, twice. For 12 nights and above, up to 3 times. So how do we prepare? First, we make a list in advance of what we want to eat on which day with times. We do some research on the restaurant's menu on YouTube and Virgin blog sites. We then populate our list on an Excel to plot out and schedule with times. Step 2. We check out the first day to book and mark it on our calendar. On the app, when you click Book Dining, you can see the countdown of when the window opens for you to book. For example, you can see this opening here is in 2 hours and 54 minutes. Step 3. Get ready for the time that the reservation window is open. For us, this was 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see here our live experience in real time. Be prepared to face some lag and slow startup times on the app. Pro tip, tag team. We split the reservations, prioritizing the harder to book reservations first. You'll see in the video that one of us is booking a reservation at the wake, at the same time the other is booking another one. You'll notice that the time is now 12:02 a.m., so this all happens really quickly. Finally, be flexible and try not to worry too much. Sometimes the app will be buggy, or the times you wanted will not be available. For example, you can see on this clip that many of the prime dining times are not available. But that's okay, because you can always walk in when you're there to see if there's availability for when you want to dine. Honestly, all the food on Virgin Voyages is fantastic. You'll have a great time no matter where you go. We hope seeing this process helps make your dining reservations less stressful. Do you have any app tips you'd like to share, or any questions you have about booking on the app? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Happy cruising!